Well, finally, desert winds were drifting north over the UK today. Sadly, they didn't bring Saharan temperatures, but they did bring Saharan dust and an eerie orange light to the sky. In Spain, the dust has caused breathing problems. They've found a different use for COVID masks.
These aren't sand dunes in the desert. These snowboarders are cutting through orange-tinted snow in the Pyrennes mountains. Yeah! Much of Europe has turned various shades of red over the last couple of days. There was an intense orange spectacle over Murcia in southern Spain. But there is a messy side. It rained mud in Madrid and lashed at people's ankles in Alicante.
It was a result of a storm that was over Africa, Storm Celia, which whipped up the sand and dust particles high up into the atmosphere. At this level, the winds were blowing in a northerly direction, strong enough to blow them all the way through the Mediterranean and also to our shores. Unfortunately, we didn't get the spectacular skies that we saw across much of the Mediterranean, because by the time it reached us, it bumped into the rain across the UK. The rain is heavier than the dust particles and it pulled it out of the sky and onto our windows and cars.
Holidaymakers landing in Malaga found it less sun-drenched and more sand-drenched. And people were advised to wear face masks, not for COVID this time, but because of fears their breathing could be affected. Up in Switzerland, the Alpine lakes reflected a fiery sky. The weird weather turning mountains into a Martian landscape. Yasmin Bottleby, News at 10.